Today, I want to share with you how can I track my website banner page. If a user click my website banner, now I want to track how many user click my banner in my website. For this, I use the CSS selector. Okay. Now I go to CSS selector. Click. Okay. Copy the CSS selector. Okay, now I go to my Google Tag Manager and create a trigger. Create a new trigger. Trigger name banner. Banner. Banner click for GA4. Okay, configure all elements. Now click. I want to use click element and I want to content. Now I want mesh CSS selector. Message CSS selector and paste the CSS selector. Now save. Okay, now create a tag and go to tag section. New tag. Provide the name. Provide the name banner. Banner click GA4. GA4. Okay. Create a tag GA4. Measurement ID. Event name. Okay. Event name. Banner click. Banner click. And select the trigger banner click by GA4. Okay. Now save. And now submit this. Publish. Okay. Now this is the properly set up with my page. Now I click my banner and now it is show with my Google GA4